Hello and welcome back. This is Steve Box Coins, and this is a trading card update number 4. As you can see, I have a whole load. I have 4 piles in fact. And if I hold them there, 1, 2, 3, 4. These cards are all blue cards, blue edge cards. They're the first 4 series. However, we have the gold trading cards, gold edge trading cards. And over Christmas and the New Year, I got a few extra gold edge trading cards. One of the ones that I know are needed to complete, I think I want to say I have a complete set in my trading card book. But there are 2 or 3 ones where I've got cards missing. Now, one of the cards I know I'm missing for some of the piles is this one. This is the Pride, and I got this on eBay, but I had to buy the blue card version of Pride coin, which is not a problem. It will do me as an extra coin, as an extra give me coin. So I have here a whole load of new card coins, and I have here I have a complete set there, so that's 2 complete sets that I have, of which I can use that for trading or whatever purposes. I have some spare cards here, and I have cards that I've just got recently, and these 3 here are partially completed sets. The first one here says I'm just missing the Pride. So if I take that Pride card there and add it, there should be 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And the cards are Pride, D-Day, Battle of Britain, Paddington at the Palace, World Wildlife Fund, Platinum Jubilee, Kew Gardens, the EC Presidency, and Sir Isaac Newton. I'm one missing there, aren't I? Paddington at the station there, we got caught up. So that's now a complete set. So that is my 3rd complete set, but my 2nd spare complete set. So I can get rid of that. On this one, I am missing Pride and Paddington at the Palace. So I've got a 2nd Pride card there. Do I have a Paddington at the Palace? D-Day, EC Presidency, Battle of Britain, Paddington at the Station, and WWF. Or do I have one in here, which is a Paddington at the Palace? Battle of Britons, and a D-Day. No, I don't. So I have on that one a Pride. So that means to say I should have 9 now in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I'm just the Paddington at the Palace missing on that one now. Now this one here, I need quite a few. It looks as if I need 5 to complete this set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I am after D-Day, no. EC Presidency, no. EC Presidency, Battle of Britain, no. Paddington at the Station. and WWF. So I'm now missing 3 on that one. Let's just count these up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I need 3 to complete that set and 1 to complete that set. So I have a Battle of Britain, I have an EEC Presidency, I have a second one, I have a D-Day, I have an Isaac Newton. I have another EEC Presidency, I have another Battle of Britain, or another 2, 3, 4 and a second D-Day. So I have some spare cards here. I think I have 4 different types. I have an Isaac Newton, D-Day, Battle of Britain, several copies of, EEC Presidency, and that's it. So I have a few there. One, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's just check that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's the second set where I've got complete. The third set overall that I've completed. So I have 3 complete sets, 2 of which I can trade should anybody need them. I have a whole stack of cards there that's I have for I think about the 4th or 5th times plus. So those are also can be traded. I have 2 sets here that are missing 3 or 4 cards each. I need trading cards, gold, Paddington, that's Palace times 2. I need Q and Pride. So I need 4 more cards to complete 5 total sets. Now, if you have a Paddington at Palace, a Q or a Pride that's going spare, let me know and I'll quite happily trade you. As I say, I've got 3 complete sets and 2 partial sets, and 1 where I've got a mixture of about 4 different cards of the 10. So if you need cards for your trading cards for your sets, let me know. I also have, of course, all these blue ones. You can see the amount of cards I've got there, and also there, which are from the original blue bordered series. If you're missing cards from those sets, please let me know and I'll have a look to see if I can help you out. I'm not looking to sell them on, or I'm quite happy to trade. I'm not really looking to sell them on. I don't want to make a killing off of the people trying to collect stuff. If we can do each other a favour, that's brilliant. So that gives you a general idea of where my trading cards are up to. I will, once I get these other cards, do a full set and I'll do you a complete trading, what they look like. And so the remaining thing is what a change check are going to do next. They've got the gold card 10-year series, but that was last year. They've released a lot of the 50p's. So are they going to do maybe the old round £1 or all of the £1 series? So we have the bees and the flowers of the nation on the 12-sided coin, and we have the capital cities, we have the flowers of the nations, we have UK, we have the English, Welsh, Irish and Scottish emblems. You know, like the rampant line of Scotland, the 3 lines of England and the dragon of Wales. Are they going to choose those in the card? The next one is, are they going to do a series of £2 coins? Because they've not touched them yet, as they've not touched the £1 ones. Are they going to do a completer update series of the 50p's that haven't yet been released on the blue on one of the card, you know, either the blue cards, the blue edge cards, or the gold cards? Are they going to do a £2 series of coins, of the coins that are both the solid bronze ones and also the bimetallic ones? Are they going to do a series of £5 coins or crowns that have been produced? There is a great depth there. Come on, Change Checker, what are you going to do next? Let us know. We're all interested in finding out, particularly those of us who have completed the trading cards that you've done so far. I'm looking forward to a new series. So let us know when you're ready, so we can start collecting. If you've enjoyed this shorter video, or you've enjoyed this video talking about trading cards to do with coins from Change Checker, give me a thumbs up. Also, if you've enjoyed it and you think I deserve it, think about subscribing to the channel, please. I am trying to upgrade my subscriber numbers, as I have done from the time that I started. So therefore I would greatly receive your subscription. I am trying to improve it again this year. I aim for 250 up until December 31st of 2023. I managed to actually get 271. I'm recording this on New Year's Day of 2024, January the 1st. I haven't yet set a target. I will do in the next few days, and I'll let everybody know what it is. If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you are buying coins, then I hope you can buy the coins you want for the price you want to pay. And finally, thank you for staying to the end of the video, and until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, thank you so much for viewing this video, and until we meet up again, bye bye from me. Ta-da now.